Alright, I got one more for you here today, guys, because I don't know when the hell you'll see another one of these. I mean, seriously, a 2009 Scion Xb. Look at that. Them gauges are a mile away. I can't even reach them. This thing is a 09 and it only has 100,000 miles. Look at that. Just turned over. 100,336. What a bizarre driving position, car, whatever, box. I mean, the windshield is miles away. I can't even remotely get to it. I just had to drive this and video it. I have never driven one, so I had to experience this. This is odd. Odd. Jeez Louise. No warning light, except, let's see, maintenance required. So we got an oil change light, and we got, of course, my damn seatbelt flashing and low tire pressure, which, hey, they're all low tire pressure. When are they not low tire pressure? Dude, this is weird. God. But I tell you, I kind of like the, space deck dash and the windshield far ahead. It makes you feel like you've got a lot of room between you and, cars coming at you, traffic, a crash, or you get what I mean. This was a new car trade-in at the Nissan store. And these are kind of odd. It's a love-hate thing. You either like these or you don't. But I'll be honest with you, I think it drives pretty darn good. Tons of room. I mean, this thing is roomy. Gobs of power. I mean, it's got great acceleration and pickup. I have no idea what's under the hood of this thing, but it really gets up and moves. Cold air. We got a Pioneer Scion head unit. Kind of going for that aftermarket look, but I guess it's factory. What a cool rig. And it's clean. I mean, to be an 09, it is clean. There's a few scratches on the plastic, like maybe they had a dog. There is one cigarette burn right there, but maybe that was just a pesky guest, because the car doesn't smell like it has been smoked in by a habitual violator, This thing will bring $5 grand, $6 grand. Who the hell knows? It's pretty clean. Yeah, I mean, it could use just a little cleaning up, but it's not banged up. It's not dented up. It's got a decent set of Kumo tires. Headlights could use a little polish. I mean, it's not a bad little box. Long roof, man. Get you a long roof. I already did that, didn't I? See what's under the hood of this thing, because oh my God, it's heavy. Oh, it's dirty. 16 valve VVTi. They lived on a dirt road, dude. And you say Toyota service department? 1121. Had a Toyota battery put in this thing. Well, it's good to see it was dealer serviced. What engine is this? I see nothing. No decals. I see an unusual amount of corrosion. This must be a replacement hood, because it has no stickers on it, or VIN numbers, or nothing. This doesn't look like a Georgia, Tennessee car. I mean, that thing right there, look how corroded that is. Whatever that is. I mean, it runs good and it drives fine. It'll probably be alright. But it definitely spent some time up north somewhere. I'll have to pull a Carfax on it and see where it's from. But I mean, it doesn't have any rot in the, you know, no rocker panels or, you know, nothing like that. But it's a pretty cool little rig. Damn, it's got the coldest AC. Holy crap. This is cool. I kind of like this thing, man. It's got great get up and go. It's just like right now. Yeah, my seatbelt, my seatbelt. Yeah, I really like this. Even though it's kind of ugly and hideous, I like it for different reasons. It looks extremely utilitarian. And I like that. Looks like you could do something with this thing, you know? I like it a lot, man. I really do. It is very, very cool. Very cool. Yeah, here's where I got it. Behind this crashed ass Sebring. They got nothing but junk here today, people. Junk. Junk. Like, comment, subscribe. Peace.